Home Remedies presents 2 epic ways to use vitamin E capsules for skin you wish someone told you earlier. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that can help calm inflammation, prevent free radical damage, and even the skin tone. The reason many people like to use it directly from a capsule is that it is in its purest form and is protected from breakdown by the gel capsule itself. That said, if you are going to apply the vitamin E directly to the skin on your face, today I will share with you the best way to use vitamin E capsules for the skin that will give you 100% results. If you are liking the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Ingredients: 1 capsule of vitamin E, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey. Method: take a small bowl and mix all the ingredients to make a fine paste. Wash your face and apply a thin layer of this mixture on your face and massage it gently. Let it dry for 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with water. You can apply this 3 times a week for best results. Alternatively, vitamin E is rich in antioxidants which help repair damaged skin cells, thus making your skin beautiful and free from any blemish. The dark spots on your face and other parts of the body fade away when vitamin E oil is applied and left overnight. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.